Hello friends, I am Dr. Akhilesh Raj Jhamar. Now a very important topic of microbiology we are going to discuss, a hypersensitivity reaction. So what are the example of different hypersensitivity reaction? Now I am just putting a very simple mnemonic for you, that is acid. Acid, these are 4 hypersensitivity, type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. This is a very simple trick to remember. Acid. A for anaphylaxis. A for anaphylaxis. C for most of the cytotoxic hypersensitivity reaction comes under type 2. I for immune complex mediated. There are certain reactions in which your body forms immune complex, and these immune complex may be stable, may be localized, or may be systemic. Now the last one is delayed hypersensitivity. Delayed hypersensitivity is also known as cell mediated immunity. So we have 4 types. What is a very simple trick? Acid. A-C-I-D. Anaphylaxis, cytotoxic, immune complex, and the last is delayed or cell mediated immunity. Now first, in this particular topic, I will discuss what is the mechanism of type 1 hypersensitivity. So write down type 1 hypersensitivity. Friends, I have made a trick for you by which you can remember. This is what you need to do. You just write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is 1? Because we are going to discuss type 1. This is type 1. What is 2? We are taking the help of T helper 2. What is 3? Sometime in this interleukin 3 mix contribution. What is 4? The main contributor is interleukin 4, and the last one is interleukin 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply you can remember this is type 1 hypersensitivity. Which helper cell? T helper 2. Interleukin 3, interleukin 4 is a main contributor because it is going to stimulate B cell. यही वो है जो B cell को stimulate करेगा और IgE में काम आएगा. Very, very important. And even sir, you can remember which is number 5th alphabet, A, B, C, D, E. So very important part is here IgE has a main immunoglobulin. Or even you can remember by 5th alphabet there is eosinophil recruitment. Again I am telling you 5th alphabet is E, IgE is a main contributor, or eosinophil recruitment will be possible. So this is a very simple trick. We can remember 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see how it proceeds. See the mechanism. It's very simple one. I have already told you. It is type 1, T helper 2, interleukin 3, interleukin 4, and interleukin 5. See, whenever antigen enters in your body, it is processed by antigen presenting cell. APC is antigen presenting cell, APC. Now, this antigen presenting cell will stimulate the nearest, very important, it will stimulate T helper 2. Again I am telling you here we are taking help of T helper 2. Now this T helper 2 will stimulate by interleukin 4 B cell. Actually sir, this is the first antigen, or in place of antigen I can use word allergen. In place of antigen I can use word allergen. तो दोस्तों बड़ा सिंपल है. एंटीजन या एलर्जन बॉडी में घुसा, एंटीजन प्रेजेंटिंग सेल ने उसको प्रोसेस किया, टी हेल्पर 2 के पास गया और टी हेल्पर 2 ने इंटरल्यूकिन 4 को सिग्नल देके, बी सेल को सिग्नल देके, बी सेल से बोला नाउ बी सेल इज फॉर्मिंग IgE. This is just sensitization. Now what will happen? This IgE will stimulate mast cell. तो मैंने यहाँ पे mast cell बना दी, ये mast cell है. So what will happen? This IgE will attach to the mast cell. But till now only mast cell is sensitized. मतलब मेरे कहने का मतलब हिस्टामिन इज नॉट रिलीज्ड, अभी मास्ट सेल का सिर्फ सेंसिटाइजेशन हुआ है. एंड इवन सर यू कैन सी द सेम टी हेल्पर 2 कैन रिलीज इंटरल्यूकिन 5 and interleukin 3. Interleukin 5 and interleukin 3. This interleukin 5 will recruit eosinophil. तो सर मैंने बातों ही बातों में सारी चीज बड़ी आसान कर दी. सी eosinophil, this is a different mechanism, but this is very very important mechanism. T helper 2 leading interleukin 4, B cell stimulation, and what is production? IgE production. यहाँ IgE production होगा. But still this is the first antigen or allergen exposure. Now what will happen when the same allergen comes second time? So here I am putting word allergen on second time. Allergen on second time. Now the same process will be followed. What is the same process? There is antigen presenting cell. Now T helper 2. Now B cell stimulated. This is B cell stimulation. Multiple IgE. Multiple IgE. Now multiple IgE will attach to the mast cell. Now see the consequence. First mast cell is sensitized by first exposure with allergen. Next there is a elicitation. मैं फिर समझा रहा हूं, पहले एलर्जन मास्ट सेल को सेंसिटाइज करता है, अब रिस्पॉन्स आएगा. सो आफ्टर रिस्पॉन्स व्हाट विल सी, मास्ट सेल लिबरेट्स हिस्टामिन. Mast cell liberates what? Histamine. And friends, histamine has few effects like bronchoconstriction and vasodilation, increased permeability. So two effects, bronchoconstriction and vasodilation. And because of increased permeability, there will be edema. Because of increased permeability, there will be edema. Again, I am telling you this procedure. You just remember type 1, T helper 2, interleukin 3, interleukin 4, interleukin 5. First mast cell gets sensitized by IgA, then in second exposure, mast cell releases histamine. This histamine causes bronchoconstriction and increased permeability. Definitely, because of increased permeability, consequence is edema. So this is the mechanism. Now, what are the example? I'm just making a very simple trick. You just remember A, B, C. So many A we have. Now, A for atopy, A for anaphylaxis, A for atopy, A for anaphylaxis, A for even in dermatology we discuss angioedema. So many A, atopy, anaphylaxis and angioedema. B for bee sting, जब मधुमक्खी या कोई आपको काटती है तो. And C for a very important test which is not used nowadays, that is Cassoni test. तो मैंने तो बड़ा आसान से बताया A, B, C, 3 important alphabet. A, B, C. Even you can remember the whole pathophysiology by this mechanism. मैं फिर रिवाइज करता हूँ सर. मैंने बोला hypersensitivity of R4 type acid. बोलते जाओ. A for anaphylaxis, C for cytotoxic, I for immune complex, then D for delayed. This is very simple, acid. Now how to remember type 1? Start with type 1, T helper 2, interleukin 3, interleukin 4, interleukin 5. Now see, fifth alphabet, IgE, so it recruits, it causes IgE, this hypersensitivity causes IgE and eosinophilic recruitment by interleukin 5. Antigen comes to antigen presenting cell, then T helper 2, interleukin 4, B cell produces IgE, but this is just a sensitization. As far as response is concerned, we require second exposure. दूसरी बार exposure होता है, multiple mast cell, multiple immunoglobulin IgE attaches to the mast cell, then response is seen. Then you can see histamine is released or like multiple prostaglandin, leukotrienes are released. Then we can see bronchoconstriction, increased vascular permeability. तो याद करने का ट्रिक तो वैसे बड़ा आसान है. और इवन अगर आप इससे भी आसान ट्रिक चाहते हो तो यू कैन रिमेंबर वन सॉन्ग 1 2 का 4, 1 2 का 4। नाउ आप कहोगे सर ये 1 2 का 4 क्या है? देखो 1 इज टाइप 1 हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी, 2 for T helper 2 and 4 for it is mainly because of interleukin 4. This is very simple trick 1 2 ka 4. So you can remember by 1 2 3 4 5 even by a song 1 2 ka 4. So this is first I discussed type 1 hypersensitivity. In next few lecture I will discuss other hypersensitivity and other important features of important topics of microbiology or immunology. Keep going. Good luck. Goodbye.